Hello friends, my name is Radia and today we are going to learn how to create multiple pages in Google Sites. So firstly, I created a new site, so it'll just show this. So I'm going to change the title to tutorial. You can also change the theme, but I'm just going to leave it like this for now. Next, I'm just going to go to pages, and as you can see, there's this home page, but there's nothing else here. So you can press plus to add a new page. So now we have these two pages, and you see that's automatically this home and the about place will be added. So you can also just add a few things if you want to add things like you can add just content blocks. So I'm just going to link a YouTube video here. So for example, I'm just going to use this one. And here, I'm just going to upload an image. So now, when you press publish, and then you view your website, you're going to see the home and the about page here. So if you press publish and then you press view published site, you'll be able to see both the home and the about pages. So you can basically just add as many pages as you want. So that is the end of today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell. Bye.